Hi, in today's video, I want to talk about the benefits of getting yourself an affiliate marketing coach. This is even more important if you're new to affiliate marketing or if you've been struggling to get results. The fact is, if you want to get good at anything, you really do need to have a good coach and, more importantly, a good coaching program. Having the right blueprint to follow and a good coach to point you in the right direction can undoubtedly have a positive effect on your chances of being successful. A quick question here. Do you think having a coach would be beneficial for you and help you to become a more successful affiliate marketer? Give me your answer in the comments below. It's my firm belief that getting good coaching is essential to making your affiliate marketing ambitions come true. And this is why I want to talk about the importance of coaching and where to find a good affiliate marketing coach in today's video. But first of all, before we move on to that, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. To subscribe, simply hit the subscribe button and you'll see a bell symbol. There'll be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. Why getting a coach is a good idea. Although it's really quite easy to get started with affiliate marketing, all you need is a computer with internet connection and maybe a few low-cost tools to help automate a lot of it. The fact is, the vast majority of people who try or start an affiliate marketing business fail. At the end of the day, if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, then you need to have a sound business plan and a clear strategy. Without this, you will undoubtedly find the going difficult. You may be quite tech savvy and you may understand marketing, but if not, then you will find there are times when you become stuck and unable to make the necessary progress. Now, the best way to get past these obstacles that can slow your progress and sometimes force people to even quit is to get yourself an affiliate marketing coach. So how exactly can an affiliate marketing coach help you? Well, to start with, they can guide you through the affiliate marketing jungle and offer you support when you need it. And most importantly, a good coach will have a proven effective blueprint for you to follow. One of the big benefits of having an affiliate marketing coach is accountability. During the early stages when you're just starting out and it seems like there's so much to learn and do, it's very easy to feel demoralized at times. It may be that you're struggling to create a good converting landing page, or maybe you're struggling with traffic, or maybe you find that sales are unpredictable. You get a couple of sales one day and then nothing for a week. And while this can be perfectly normal when you're just starting, it can be stressful to deal with. A good affiliate marketing coach will be on hand to act as a sounding board when you need them, but they will also push you when you need it. There will no doubt be times when you lack motivation, and then a good coach will be there to push you forward. So how do you go about finding a good affiliate marketing coach? Well, one thing I can say for certain is that having a good coach will greatly increase your chances of succeeding in the world of affiliate marketing. But finding a good coach who has a proven blueprint for you to follow can be difficult. I know this from my own experience. The good news is that I can be of some help here, and if you look in my description just below, you'll see a link where you can watch a free video presentation where you'll have the opportunity to take part in a program that's designed to get your affiliate marketing business up and running and ready to start generating commissions in the next 7 days. If you're new to affiliate marketing or you've been struggling to get results, then this is your chance to get the training you need, the tools you need, and weekly coaching calls so you never get stuck alone again. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by what's waiting for you in this video presentation, and I highly recommend you at least take a look and see what it's all about. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I do appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and at least watch the free video presentation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.